Reuters, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell more than 450 points and the other main indexes slipped on Friday after U.S. President Donald Trump a Euro trademark's latest tariff threat on Chinese imports revived fears of a trade war between the two countries. Trump on Thursday threatened to slap $100 billion more in tariffs on Chinese imports, while Beijing said it was fully prepared to respond with a Euro fierce counter-strike a Euro. Fears of a trade war since Trump announced tariffs on steel and aluminum more than a month ago have kept investors on edge over concerns that such protectionist measures would hit global economic growth. A Euro markets are absolutely appalled by protectionism, a Euro said to Smalarkey, managing director at Sun Life Investment Management based in Wellesley, Massachusetts. Malarkey said the markets may tolerate some tit-for-tat, given the strong fundamentals. A Euro trademark's fast forward to next week, if earnings are strong then markets will take a lot of comfort and that a Euro trademark's the expectation a Euro. Mixed signals from administration officials also added to the nervousness. Trump a Euro trademark's top economic advisor Larry Kudlow told CNBC he learned of the new tariffs on Thursday night. He told Bloomberg TV that negotiations had not yet started, but later said on Fox Business that talks are ongoing. A Euro or clearly the reaction from China to tariffs is clearly the only factor driving the markets today, a Euro said Randy Frederick, Vice President of Trading and Derivatives for Charles Schwab in Austin. At 12:54 a.m. the Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJI) was down 320.42 points, or 1.31%, at 24,184.8. The Dow dropped 456 points at session's low. The S&P 500.SPX was down 26.29 points, or 0.99%, at 2,636.55 and the Nasdaq Composite.IXIC was down 63.26 points, or 0.89%, at 7,013.29. All 30 Dow components were in the red and each of the 11 major S&P sectors were lower, with the defensive utilities and real estate sectors falling the least. As on Wednesday, industrials led the decliners. Boeing, BAN, the single largest U.S. exporter to China, fell 2.5%. Caterpillar, CATN, declined 2.8% and Deere, DEN, dropped about 2.3%. Chip makers, which as a group rely on China for about a quarter of their revenue, also declined. The Philadelphia Semiconductor Index (SOX) fell 1.2%. Non-farm payrolls increased by a fewer than expected 103,000 last month, a Labor Department report showed. While the annual growth in average hourly earnings rose to 2.7%, it stayed below the 3% that economists estimate is needed to lift inflation toward the Federal Reserve Euro trademark's 2% target. A Euro or at a Euro trademark's not showing us wage inflation where the Fed would have to step in. This seems to be a natural improvement, a Euro said Sean Lynch, CO head of Global Equity Strategy, Wells Fargo Investment Institute in Omaha, Nebraska. Declining issues outnumbered advancers by a 2.64 to 1 ratio on the NYSE and a 2.25 to 1 ratio on the Nasdaq. The S&P index showed 2 new 52-week highs and 1 new lows, while the Nasdaq recorded 33 new highs and 37 new lows.